So here are our banana trees, and they're fascinating trees. The water actually goes down the leaves, catches on down the leaves, down a little channel, and then goes into the plant and straight down here. So I've just cut this one off here, and it's a little bit like cardboard. It's just full of water, just dripping of water. Amazing. So the reason why I cut that one off is usually the one that bears fruit will be the one that falls next, but in this case I think because of the roof there, they're reaching out for the sunlight, or the wind's got them. So I cut that one off because it was leaning on these two here, but you can see we've got a couple of ones back here, new pup ones, so they'll take over. But they are great trees even if you are in cooler climates, because as you can see the roots don't lift any of these pavers. So here's the banana tree that I cut down, one of the branches of it anyway, and look, it is fantastic for the compost. If you cut it up and do it small, you can put it in the compost bin and the worms will love you. It's full of water and they dry off to be grey as well, so it doesn't make all your compost slushy. Here's the branch that I just cut off the banana tree, and have a look at the water just pouring out of it. It is just full of water. Absolutely amazing. You don't have to water these. I've never watered them before, but when it rains they certainly keep it all inside. That's just the outer layer I'm squeezing there, let alone the inside layer, and the core gets even wetter. Have a look at the colours on the trunks, aren't they interesting? And as the layers come off, look at the colour under that. Fascinating, isn't it? Fantastic plant if you want to grow something different in your garden, even if it's not for the fruit.